Right, so these are hoop rows. They're very, very simple. All I'm basically doing is I'm rowing my own body weight using gymnastics hoops. So if I'm doing these here as a beginner, the first time that I'm doing them, I haven't been doing them for a while, I basically just find a comfortable foot position, I lean back, and then I just pull myself up, bringing my elbows quite tight to my sides, okay? So you'll notice there, from a front view, my elbows are coming to here. They're not flaring up wide, they're coming down nice and low towards the hips there, okay? If I want to make them a little bit more challenging, so as I progress through them, I'm starting off here. All I do to progress these, as opposed to adding a weight like I would for another movement, I just walk my feet in lower. The lower that I walk my feet, the more of my weight that I'm holding, and the more challenging these become, okay? When you're doing them, you want to make sure that you're finding the correct foot position for your own ability, so you're not going too close where it's too difficult, but you're also not standing so far away where you can just throw yourself in and there's no challenge. And you also want to make sure that there's a nice pulse to the movement. You're not collapsing at the bottom and then throwing yourself up, collapsing again, throwing yourself up. You're making sure that you're starting like this, releasing nice and slow, pulling yourself up, releasing nice and slow again, okay? So those are hoop rows.